The first rule here that we want to know is that a base to a negative exponent is 1 over that. I like to think of that as cross the line to change the sign of the exponent. There are things in fractions that are considered not simplified, like 10 over 20. We know is not simplified, that's 1/2. Another thing that is considered not simplified is negative exponents. So as soon as you see negative exponents, you want to get rid of those. All right, so if I apply this property, I'm going to be able to take this 8 and make it to the positive 2 by moving the 8 across the fraction bar line, and then I have 1 there in the top. 8 times 8 is 64, so we have 1 over 64. So we've got a fraction bar line here. We're gonna grab this and move it to the denominator, and that's gonna change the sign of the exponent. So we're gonna have 2 to the positive 3 by putting that in the denominator, and then we would still have a 1 in the numerator. Expanding 2 to the 3rd, I end up with 1/8. Okay, a couple more here. If I have 4 to the negative 3, it's that same idea. Even though this is our main rule, we want to cross the fraction bar line and it changes the sign on the exponent. So if I move this 4 to the negative 3 to the numerator, then it will be 4 to the positive 3 in the numerator. And then there's going to be technically over 1, but when you divide by 1, you get the original. And 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. So last example, I'm going to cross the fraction bar line to change the sign on the exponent. So the 7 to the 2nd power would be in the numerator, and 7 multiplied by 7 is 49.